I'm charging you to deliver this end result. And the law firm knows exactly what they need to deliver. So when it comes down to things like a limited scope casework or kind of unbundled services, what you tend to find is for the law firm and for the client, what it does is it allows both to really focus on the outcome. For example, if we're doing a limited scope, you kind of know upfront what the outcome that we are aiming for. So I'm charging you to deliver this end result if it is a limited scope case. For example, if I'm doing a prenup agreement, well, it's a limited scope case. We both know at the end of my work, you are going to have a prenup agreement. It is very clear. And when you have clarity between the law firm and the client, it makes the relationship flow a whole lot better because the client knows what they are paying for and the law firm knows exactly what they need to deliver. Now, when you get into unbundled services, is where you start to look at things that where in your traditional kind of sense of running a law firm, all of it was grouped into like one big bucket. The challenge is that clients really didn't know what they were paying for. And a lot of times what that would do is it would create a lot of back end AR or maybe a lot of dispute between the client and the law firm about, well, I don't feel like I should be paying for this, or I'm not understanding why I'm paying for this. But when you're able to unbundle things, again, similar to what we said with the prenup agreement, is you can create clarity on, hey, this is the outcome you are paying for. Because at the end of the day, the psychology around pricing, the psychology around buying habits is when people are not quite sure what they are actually paying for, what the end result or what the outcome that they're actually handing their money over for, they tend to be a little hesitant about actually making the payments that they're being asked to do. So, when you can do a limited scope or you can do unbundled services, you can create a lot more clarity, which tends to increase customer satisfaction, which tends to allow the law firm to be more efficient and effective to achieve the desired or the agreed upon outcome. And you usually see a higher collections rate when you are very clear about what people are paying for.